My name is Keill, and this is my technology integration presentation. The learning theory that will support my technology is John Keller's ARCS motivational design model, and the technology will be the Powtoon animation software. The lesson is intended for 8th grade English and reading students. The students will create an original product, a book report, by using the free application Powtoon. The students will create a slide presentation over a realistic fiction novel. The student will use a class set of criteria for self-assessment and for the evaluation of their peers. According to John Keller's ARCS model of motivational design theories, there are 4 steps for promoting and sustaining motivation in the learning process: attention, relevance, confidence, and satisfaction. Now I will break down the lesson using the ARCS model. The first component of the ARCS model is attention. In order to grab the student's attention, the teacher will present a short animated Powtoon book report as an example. The next thing the teacher will do is establish relevance. In order to get the students to buy into the project, the teacher will choose a student to help model the tutorial of the basic steps. The next component is confidence. To help the student gain confidence, the teacher will allow time for discovery of the technology. The teacher will also give objectives, evaluation criteria, and reassurance during the step-by-step instruction to make sure that the learner comprehends the activity. The last component is satisfaction. The teacher will provide feedback and reinforce achievements during the lesson to make sure the student is using their newly acquired knowledge correctly and that the student sees their accomplishments. Now I will demonstrate how the Powtoon will work. We will start our activity by selecting the templates option of Powtoon website. There are 3 categories of templates. We will choose education for this activity. Then we will select student. Once we are in the student category, we will scroll down to the book report template. This particular template has the option of upgrading, and it has all the premium characters and everything with it. For this, however, we're going to remove the premium objects and just go with the basic template. So, once we continue with the basic free version of the book report form, there are 8 slides that come with the template. You can have your students click into the text box to fill in their information, or they can go to the side and they can add text, they can add music, they can also add pictures for their book report. If you want your students to have more than 8 slides, there's an option you can add slides. If you want them to have less than 8 slides, they can click on the slide and hit the trash can and remove the slide. It can be customized. Once they are finished, your students can save and then they can export their presentation. The students have the option of uploading by using different social media such as Facebook, or if you have a YouTube and different platforms. They can download by having an MP4, they can download it in a PDF or even a PowerPoint, or they can share by using Twitter, or if you have Google Classroom or email. My particular students would email me. Once your students are in the email option, they can then finish their details. They can add their name, their category, which will be education, and the privacy, which will have to be public because we are using the free option. After your students hit next, and they finish with their details, they get a box here showing that they are finished and they can preview and send their awesomeness to their teacher. So now that we've seen how great and easy Powtoon is, let's recap. This is for our 8th grade English and reading students. The lesson and the learning theory used is John Keller's ARCS motivational design, and the technology that was integrated was Powtoon. I hope you learned something valuable during my presentation today, and I want to thank you for listening.